Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Noria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to format a date. So on this specific worksheet, I have added a new entry, which is submission date, and these are some of the data I have added. Now, as I enter this data for date, Excel automatically formatted this one as date because it identifies this as date format, okay? But date also has different types of formats, so we can go into this to change the format in either way we want it, whether in this format or long date or short date format, or if you want only the months, year. Okay, so for example, I'm choosing this one. So Excel has changed the format into such that it shows the day and the month April and the year. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.